There's a quiet kind of pain that hits in the morning. You wake up, you reach for your phone, and the person who used to be the first thought in your mind feels distant now. You don't want to beg, you don't want to chase, but you also don't want to disappear. So understand this first. This is not about manipulation. This is not about forcing attraction. This is about communicating from strength while your heart is still healing. A weak message asks for reassurance. A strong message sets a tone. You are not trying to convince her of anything. You are reminding her and yourself that you are calm, grounded, and moving forward. Now listen carefully. The first message is simple. Morning, I hope today treats you gently. No pressure, no questions, no emotional weight. It shows care without dependence, presence without need. A man who can wish well without asking for something back is rare. The second message shifts the focus inward. Woke up clear-headed today. That's a good feeling. This isn't about her, and that's exactly why it works. It signals stability. It shows that your world doesn't collapse when things feel uncertain. Women don't pull away from strength. They pull away from emotional chaos. The third message carries quiet empathy. I hope you take a moment for yourself today. This communicates emotional intelligence, concern without control, care without attachment. It reminds her of the safety she felt around you without you asking her to return it. The fourth message resets the frame. Today feels like a fresh start. It's short, grounded, forward-moving. It tells her you're not trapped in the past, even if you're still processing it. Momentum is attractive. Stillness is strength. The fifth message introduces a boundary without saying the word. I've been focusing on building a better routine lately. Feels right. This quietly reclaims your independence. You're not asking for validation. You're showing direction. A man with direction doesn't need to chase attention. The sixth message invites reflection. Some mornings make you think about what really matters. It lingers. It opens space instead of demanding response. She may not reply immediately, but she will feel it. You're not chasing her thoughts. You're allowing them to surface on their own. The seventh message is the anchor. Whatever today brings, I'm handling it calmly. This is strength without arrogance. It says you are steady, composed, unshaken. A man who remains calm under emotional pressure is never invisible. Now hear this clearly. If she doesn't respond right away, do nothing. No follow-up, no explanation, no emotional correction. Stoicism teaches us to control what we send and release the outcome. Your power is not in her reply. Your power is in who you are becoming. If you're watching this and thinking, I just want her back, pause. What you actually want is peace, clarity, dignity, self-respect. And when you communicate from that place, whether she returns or not, you win. Some men text to be noticed. Other men text to express who they are. Be the second man. If this helped you breathe a little easier today, if it reminded you that you still have control, stay here. This channel is for men rebuilding themselves quietly, with discipline and purpose. And remember this, you don't need to be louder to be heard. You just need to be grounded.